Hey there. Quick question. What are you doing right now? You're watching this video, right? Huh? Yeah, that's exactly when we use the present continuous. We use this tense to talk about actions that are happening at this moment or around this time in our lives. The formula is super simple. I, he, she, you, we, subject plus am, is, are, plus the ing. For example, I am watching a video. She is working from home this week. But here's the trap. Some verbs never use ing. We call them stative verbs. They describe feelings, thoughts, or states. Words like need, want, know, like, understand. I am needing coffee. Nope. I need coffee. She is knowing the answer. Nope. She knows the answer. Remember, actions equal ing. Feelings, thoughts equal no ing. Got it? Let's practice.
Dialogue 1.
Hey, Sarah, what are you working on today?
I'm finishing the monthly report. It's taking forever.
Oh, I know that feeling. Are you using the new software?
Yeah, I'm still learning it. What about you?
I'm preparing for the client meeting this afternoon.
Sounds busy. Are you feeling stressed?
A bit, but I'm trying to stay calm.
Good idea. Hey, is Tom joining the meeting too?
Yeah, he's coming. He's reviewing the presentation right now.
Great. I think he's doing a fantastic job lately.
I agree. He's really improving.
Well, good luck with the meeting.
Thanks. I need it.
Dialogue 2.
Jake, what are you doing upstairs? It's so quiet.
I'm cleaning my room, Mom.
Really? That's surprising. Why are you cleaning it now?
Because my friends are coming over later.
Oh, I see. Are they staying for dinner?
I'm not sure yet. I'm texting Ben right now to ask.
Okay, I'm making pasta tonight if they want to join.
Perfect. They love your pasta.
What are you guys planning to do?
We're watching a movie and maybe playing some games.
Sounds fun. Are you finishing your homework first?
Yeah, I'm doing it now. I only have math left.
Good. Just let me know how many people are coming.
Will do.
Dialogue 3.
Hi, sorry I'm late. Are you waiting long?
No, I just got here. I'm checking the train schedule now.
Great. What time is our train leaving?
It's departing at 3:15. We have 20 minutes.
Perfect. Are you feeling excited about the trip?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. What about you?
Same. I'm actually thinking about visiting that castle.
The one on the hill? That's a great idea. Are you bringing your camera?
Of course. I'm planning to take lots of photos.
Nice. I'm hoping the weather stays good.
Me too. Oh, look, the train is arriving now.
Let's go. I'm so ready for this adventure. Dialogue 4.
Hey, Alex, what are you eating? That looks delicious. It's a chicken wrap. I'm trying to eat healthier these days. Good for you. I'm thinking about doing the same. You should. Are you ordering anything? Yeah, I'm getting the salad. I want something light. Nice choice. So, how's the new project going? It's going well. We're meeting a lot of tight deadlines, though. I understand. Our team is working on something similar. Are you managing okay? Yeah, I'm learning a lot. It's challenging, but interesting. That's good to hear. Oh, your phone is ringing. It's my manager. I'm calling her back after lunch. No worries. I need to get back soon anyway.
Dialogue 5.
What are we buying today?
I'm making lasagna tonight, so we need tomatoes and cheese.
Sounds great. Are we getting anything else?
Yeah, I'm looking for some fresh bread too.
Okay. I'm gonna grab some milk and eggs.
Good idea. Oh, are we running low on coffee?
I think so. I'm checking the list now. Yes, we need coffee.
Perfect. I'm also thinking about getting some fruit.
What kind are you thinking of?
Apples and oranges. The kids love them.
Great. I'm pushing the cart. Just put everything in here.
Thanks. Are you paying or am I?
I'm paying today. You paid last time.
Fair enough.
Dialogue 6.
Hey, Tom, I'm hearing a lot of noise from your place. Is everything okay?
Oh, sorry, we're renovating the kitchen.
Ah, I see. How long is it taking?
We're hoping to finish by next week.
That's good. Are you doing it yourself or hiring someone?
We're working with a contractor. He's doing most of it.
Smart choice. I'm thinking about updating my bathroom soon.
Really? That sounds exciting.
Yeah, but I'm not sure if I want to deal with the mess.
I understand. It's stressful, but it's worth it.
True. Are you staying home during the renovation?
Yeah, I'm working from home this week, so I'm keeping an eye on things.
That makes sense. Well, good luck with it.
Thanks, Lisa. Dialogue 7.
Hey, Anna, where are you right now?
I'm sitting at the airport. My flight is boarding soon.
Exciting. What are you doing while you wait?
I'm reading a book and drinking coffee. It's pretty relaxing.
Nice. Are you feeling nervous about the trip?
A little. I'm visiting a new country, so I'm not sure what to expect.
You'll be fine. Are you traveling alone?
Yeah, but I'm meeting some friends there.
That's great. What are you planning to do first?
We're exploring the city center and trying the local food.
Sounds amazing. Are you taking your camera?
Of course, I'm hoping to take tons of pictures.
Awesome. Well, have a safe flight.
Thanks, Chris.
Dialogue 8.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a jacket. Can you help me? Of course. What style are you thinking of? Something casual. I'm wearing it for everyday use. Great. Are you looking for a specific color? I'm thinking black or navy blue. Perfect. We're actually having a sale on jackets this week. Really? That's lucky. What sizes are you offering? We have small, medium, and large. What's your usual size? I usually wear medium. Can I try one on? Absolutely. The fitting rooms are over there. I'm bringing you a couple of options now. Thank you. I appreciate your help. No problem. I'm here if you need anything else.
Dialogue 9.
What are you studying for, Kevin?
I'm preparing for the history exam. It's next Monday.
Oh, same. Are you finding it difficult?
A bit. I'm memorizing all these dates and events.
I know that feeling. I'm using flashcards to help me remember.
That's a good idea. Are they working well?
Yeah, I'm making progress. What about you?
I'm rereading my notes and highlighting the important parts.
Smart. Are you taking a break soon?
Yeah, I'm getting a coffee in about 10 minutes. Want to join?
Sure. I need a break too. I'm getting tired.
Same here. I think we're both working too hard.
True, but the exam is really important, so I want to do well.
Me too. Let's keep going.
Dialogue 10.
What are you watching on TV?
I'm watching a documentary about space. It's really interesting.
Cool. Are you learning anything new?
Yeah, I'm discovering things I didn't know before.
Nice. I'm reading a book about the same topic.
Really? What's it called?
The universe in a nutshell. I'm enjoying it so far.
Sounds great. Are you planning to finish it tonight?
Probably not. I'm taking my time with it.
Fair enough. Hey, are we eating dinner soon? I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, I'm ordering pizza. What toppings do you want?
I'm thinking pepperoni and mushrooms.
Perfect. I'm calling them now.
Thanks, Amy.